Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Opera GX in your computer. How you can do this, simply open any of your browser and simply come to the search option and search for Opera GX. Click enter, you will going to get the first website from Opera GX gaming browser. If you click on that, you can simply click on download Opera GX, click on that. And after that, you can see into the download option, it will going to download the Opera GX setup.exe file. And after complete the download, you're going to click on it 2 times to install and minimize the all background app and click on I accept and install, accept, and it will going to downloading the Opera GX for your Windows. So it will take some minute. And you can see the Opera GX is rightly opened in our computer and you can simply instantly work Opera GX for your Windows. You can see it has a very good sound system, giving you a very gaming vibe, So yeah, this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.